Hello, hello, everyone. This is TaylorMade for you, and I am here to do a tutorial on the song that I signed, King of Glory. So we'll kind of break it down, the lyrics, and so I'm signing and talking at the same time, just in case someone who is deaf want to learn the song as well, then they can understand what I'm saying. So let's start with the first stanza that says, "Yes, the world will bow down and say you are God." So for that, I know the beauty about music is that it is not a one way to sign something. So you may know in my videos, you may notice that some signs I may do in the video, but then when I do the tutorial, it may be some different signs that I may incorporate. And that's okay because, again, the beauty of music is that there's not one specific way to sign, or you don't have to just stay with that one sign the entire song or with the lyrics. So again, you may notice in the songs that I upload, they may be I may sign one way, but then in my tutorial it may be a different way, and it's okay. Just grab what you prefer as the sign you want to sign, and that's it. So yes, the world, and I'm looking down at the lyrics. So yes, the world will bow down and say you are God. So what I would recommend, and again, it's more than one way to sign it, but my recommendation would be you could sign it as yes, yes, the world. So that would be the world. It's just world. Yes, the world. Or you can do yes, um, the the world. Like you can show a world, a globe. Um, will bow down. So you're bowing. Will bow down and say you are God. So yes, the world will bow down and say you are God. So bow down and then God. Um, every man will bow down and say you are king. So I would say you could sign it, and this is just one suggestion. You could sign it as yes, it says every. So every person, meaning women and men, even though the biblical word for man is both, but you could every person or every person. You can do it this way or with the P. Person or person will bow down again and say you are king. So the K, king, across the body. Um, so so let's start right now. Why would we wait? That's the next one. And you could sign, so let's start right now. And again, with the beauty with music is you can drag it out. So let's start right now, or you can do now, either way, and just drag it out. So let's start right now. Why would we wait? Why would we wait? So you're dragging out the why. Why would we wait? Then the stanza next is King of Glory. So you can do glory like this. You can point it like this, coming from up in the air. You can do it that way because you're speaking about God. So you can do glory this way, glory down here, up, or you can do glory here. So you're not using a flat back of your hand. Glory here from the sky. So King of Glory, or King of Glory, or King of Glory. And then it says, uh, fill this place. So I sign as one way. You can fill this place. So fill this place can be signed, fill this place. And you can make it big. You don't have to make it small. You can make it big. So fill this place. And then the next one is, I just wanna be with you. That's the next one. I just wanna be with you. That's the words, the English words. But you can sign it as like you want to come together. I just want to be with you. You can this, and that's it. That's coming one from, so him coming from heaven down. So he's meeting you. He's connecting with you. And so it could be high, where I'm trying to show you on the video, but it can be higher than that. So it's connecting. So you have your C hand shapes like this, and you're making a chain. So you're kind of linking it together. But I just want to be with you. I sign like his heart and my heart connecting. So that could be a way. And again, you can make it higher. Um, so so I just want to be with you. That whole sentence is, I just want to be with you. I just want to be with you. I just want to be with you. Your heart is touching minds. Um, I just want to be with you. He's just infiltrating you. He's filling you up. So I just want to be with you. You could also sign, I just want to be with you. So you're showing that his face is, we're meeting face to face. We're meeting face to face. And again, it could be higher. So we're meeting face to face. I just want to be with you. Um, you could also sign that as, I just want to be with you. I want to worship you. I want to be with you. You could sign it like that too. So I just want to be with you. 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 There's plenty of ways you can sign that, because the meaning is that you want to communicate with God. You want to be in his presence. So that's why it's a lot of signs that you can do. And the good thing about knowing different ways to sign is that because this is a repetitive song, you could change it up. So you're not doing the same sign each time. You can, when she say it one time, you could do, I just want to be with you, King of Glory, feel this place. I just want to be with you. And then when she say it again, you could change it and make it this or this or this, um, or this. You know, it doesn't have to be the same sign for the entire song. And then she repeats herself again by saying, yes, the world will bow down and say, you are God. Every man will bow down and say, you are king. So let's start right now. Why would we wait? And then she says, um, we praise you now in victory. And again, all of those signs can be bigger. It can be, like this. It could be, we praise you now in victory. Um, I'm just doing it more in a box because the video, I want you to catch what I'm signing. And then the chorus where it's saying, so we'll sing hallelujah. We'll sing hallelujah. Until you come again. And you can draw it from the top. You can draw it and just come. So he's coming down from heaven. So we'll sing hallelujah until you come again. And you see how I'm dragging it. And we'll dance in your presence until you come again. That's the simple way. I try to teach simple signs so it's not complex. And then she said again, we'll sing hallelujah. And again, you can make it bigger. We can sing hallelujah until you come again. And we'll dance in your presence until you come again. And she repeats it. We'll dance in your presence. And you can just dance in your presence. We'll dance in your presence. Again, she sings the King of Glory. Fill this place. And she say that over and over again. King of power. King of glory. King of power. King of glory. If you can get that in. Most of the time, I try not to do all the parts because then that will get tiresome. It will get confusing to the person who is watching. So I try to pick the part that I will just consistently do. And then when she's singing other parts, then I just allow her to sing those other parts. And I don't try, unless I have time, I don't try to sign that her part too and what the choir is singing. So you have to pick. That's the best practice, is to pick one part. And so you have that. And then we'll sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah. You can add it on and pick however much you want to sign with that repetitiveness. Okay, I thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helps, and God bless you.